You are watching the ScheduleIT Getting Started movie guide. In this section, I will be showing you how to create your schedule. When you've finished watching this section, you will know how to add weeks, jobs and job stages to your schedule, how to assign your workers to the job stages, plus how to access and use the further available options once your work has been assigned. Let's get started. To follow the steps shown in this movie, you will need to have installed and activated the program, set your preferences, and added your workforce to the worker library. If you haven't done this and need assistance, please watch the ScheduleIT Getting Started movie guide sections specifically designed to show you how. OK, I will click the Easy Price Pro icon on my desktop. Click ScheduleIT and click Open Schedule. Before I begin entering information, let's take a quick tour. The program automatically opens on the scheduling section. Let's go over the straightforward layout. At the top of the screen on the right, I have the colour-coded key. This key shows the name and colour of my groups. When I add a worker to my schedule, they will be highlighted the colour of the group that they're in. So at a glance, I can see who is a labourer, bricklayer, carpenter, and so on. Beside the colour-coded key, I have the Employed Man-Hours pie chart. This pie chart will automatically adjust as you add your employed workers to the schedule. When it's completely red, that means all of your employed man-hours have been allocated in the week schedule that you're working on. It's a great feature for ensuring your employed staff are fully assigned with tasks for the week. Underneath the ScheduleIT title and logo, I have the Add Week button. When you want to add a new week to your schedule, you simply click this and a new week is added. Below this in a fixed position are the days of the week. Finally, I have the schedule for the week. Every weekly schedule has the same layout. Along the top line are the dates that make up this week. Below that, the days of the week from Monday to Sunday are listed, with the corresponding date for that day. The left-hand column is where all the jobs and job stage or task information is located. You then use the cells here to schedule your workforce members to carry out the job stages and listed tasks on the day of the week that you require them to be done. ScheduleIT is designed to suit the needs of your business. It can handle as many jobs as your business can. To add a job to a week, you just click the Add Job button here, and a new job is listed. Next, I enter the reference for the job. I just click here, then type in the details. I always enter the client's surname and postcode as my reference, but you can use whatever format you want. Even the whole site address if you wish. It is completely up to you. Now I need to enter in the job stages or tasks that need to be carried out during this job. To add a job stage or task to a job, I right-click the cell under Job Stage and select Add a New Line. I can then type the name or description of the job stage or task into the new cell. How you approach the organisation of the tasks and job stages for each job is entirely up to you. When you first add a job, you can add in every job stage and task that will need to be carried out to complete the job. Or, if it's a large job with many stages or associated tasks, you can stagger the adding of job stages on a weekly or monthly basis. There is no right or wrong way to do it. The most important factor to take into account when you make your decision is that your schedule works for your business. Before you make your decision on how you will set up your schedule, it may be worth noting that when you click Add Week, the new week that you have added to your schedule will contain all the job and job stage information from the previous week, but you are able to edit, delete or add to this information as required. For example, if you opt to enter all job stages and tasks when you first add the job to the schedule, you can just delete the job stages or tasks that have been completed at the start of each new week, or leave them all there for the duration of the job and simply not assign a worker to the job stages and tasks that are complete. If you opt to add the stages and tasks on an as-required basis, you would just adjust the stages and tasks for each job as required every time you added a new week. So we now know how to add a job to our schedule. how to add job stages and tasks to that job. Plus, we have also covered how to organise the adding of your job stages and tasks to your schedule. Now we will look at how to add members of your workforce to the schedule, and the options that are available to you when doing this.